there, my name is Beth Phillips, and I'm here to tell you really quick about 3 of my favorite oils that I use during the day to get through our busy lives. The first one we're going to talk about is Motivate. So this is a blend of citrus and mints. Citrus oils are mood elevators, and mint oils help with energy. So I like to apply this one anytime throughout the day, especially in the morning when I'm trying to wake up and get my brain going and engaged. You can roll it on your wrists, rub your wrists together, breathe it in. Sometimes I'll put a little bit over my heart. There is citrus oils in here, which are sun sensitive. So if you're going to apply it on your skin, just make sure it's in a place where the sun won't be hitting. But usually insides of the wrists and under a t-shirt are a great spot. Motivate smells kind of like orange Skittles. It smells so good, and it's refreshing and energizing with the mints in there. So you can apply this as often as you want during the day when you feel like you need a little more energy, you need a little more motivation to get things done. Maybe you've got a big project ahead of you. Maybe you need to clean your room, the kitchen. Maybe you've got some schoolwork that you've got to get done and you don't feel like doing it and you need a little bit of motivation. This is going to be your best friend. The next one is Thinker. This has a blend of oils in there that helps our brain slow down. And I know that may sound funny because you think that your brain needs to be active, but usually the case is for us these days, our brains are too active. They're too stimulated. They are trying to go off in 100 different directions when we need to get in and focus on one task, on one assignment, on one project, on one thing that our parents asked us to do. And we can't because our brain's in 10 different places. So when you apply this oil, it's going to help with the brain coming in and focusing on the task at hand. So I love doing this even when I'm cleaning the house. I don't know if you guys, if you go to clean your room and you want to start in one area and then you get distracted by the laundry and then you get distracted by some pictures that you want to hang up or whatever it is, and you're not actually getting to the project that you need to get done. That is what this blend is for. It's going to help your brain tune in and focus on what it needs to get done for the day. So where you apply this is on the back of the neck. You want it near your brain. So you're going to roll it a few times like this and then massage it in so that it's getting into that tissue, which is really close to your brain. Now, take what's on your fingers and be breathing in several deep breaths so those aromatic compounds can be getting in also. This is going to help slow the mind so that it can focus in on what you need to get done. And the last one is Steady. This one is such a good friend of mine. I have to do a lot of presentations in front of people, and it wasn't always my favorite thing to do, and my nerves kick up. And so anytime I'm in a situation where my nerves are rattled, or I'm going maybe to talk to somebody that I don't really feel like talking to, or going to be in a situation that I might feel a little bit awkward or uncomfortable or on the spot, and then you can apply this, and it's going to help with these grounding feelings of feeling steady, of feeling confident, and feeling good in your own skin and inside of your own body. And so with this one, you can apply it like the Motivate. These are pulse points. You have blood vessels running underneath here. And so this is a good application spot for you to apply these oils, and then several deep breaths breathing it in so that it can hit your olfactory system at the same time and be breathing in those aromatic compounds, and your body's going to be putting them to work to soothe your nerves, to be uplifting and calming and soothing. And so this trio here is helpful during your day. You can use it anytime during the day. You can use them as often as you want and keep them with you. It's something that you can reach for when a situation arises that maybe you feel uncomfortable or you're feeling worried or anxious. Reach for your oils. They're very helpful.